One reason why a lot of people's trousers and shorts do not turn out right is because they don't know how to take the right measurement. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the right way to take your trouser and shorts measurement. The first place I measure is my waist, and me, I wear my trouser on my stomach. So that is where I take my normal waist measurement from. So you might want to ask whoever you are measuring where they wear their trouser from, and you measure from that point. You want to make sure they are breathing out. So I took her waist measurement at 30 inches. Then I was explaining to her that some people wear low waist like she's doing. So her low waist measurement, I took it at 33 inches. So that first measurement, sometimes I refer to it as high waist measurement because it's on my stomach. Then this low waist measurement, some people take it as their normal measurement. Just ask the person where they wear their trouser and take their waist measurement from there. You want to make sure they are breathing out, okay? They are not breathing in. Now, to measure the hips, you want to make sure that their legs are closed, okay? Because if it's open, it kind of affects somehow the circumference of the hip. So I took her hips measurement at 38.5 inches, okay? Now I want to take the full trouser length. Now, depending on how long the person wants it, the person wants it to sweep the ground like palazzo, you can take that measurement. The person wants it to stop at the ankle, you can take that measurement. The person wants it a little high, 3/4, just take all the necessary measurement. Now you want to make sure they are not bending, they're not looking down, because it's going to affect the measurement. As you can see, I told her to look up because we're already drooping by about 2 inches. Okay, so I took her full length measurement at 39, 36, and 29. Okay, now if you are measuring someone who has a big bum like me, a large butt, you want to take the full length measurement from the back. You want to make sure you're going into the curve, okay? Then you take the full length measurement from the back. Now for the front, I took the full length measurement at 39 inches. For the back, I took it at 40 inches. You can see that we have 1 inch difference. Okay, so you want to have that at the back of your mind. Now the next thing you're going to go ahead to do is to take the inseam measurement. Some people will not want you to put your hand inside, you know, where the leg actually starts from. That is where you need to take the inseam measurement from. So I just told her to hold the tape and put it by herself, because of course people won't want you to touch them inappropriately. So she held the tape and put it where the leg starts from, and I measured 29 inches for that. So to calculate your crouch length, all you need is your full length minus your inseam measurement, and that will give you your crouch length. Okay, so the full length measurement here is 39 inches. Now the inseam measurement is 29 inches. So 39 inches minus 29 inches, that is 10 inches. So the length of your crouch when you are cutting your trouser, or when you are cutting your, for this girl, when I'm going to cut her trouser or her short, is going to be 10 inches. So those people that are confused how to get their crouch measurement, to know the length of the crouch, it is your full length measurement minus your inseam measurement, and that will give you your crouch length. Okay, now the next thing I went ahead to do is to measure her nail length. Okay, sometimes when you guess, you don't get the exact point of the nail. Okay, sometimes it's not always half length of the trouser that gives you the nail. No, so you want to take your ruler and measure from the waist to the nail point. You can see I was asking her, is this point your nail? And she pointed to me. So after taking the knee measurement, nail measurement was 20 inches. I went ahead to take the circumference of her nail. You can see I moved it round to make sure it's not too tight, and I got that at 15 inches. I also went downwards to take the length of the circumference of the hem, and I got that at 11 inches. Now the next thing that is very, very important is your thigh circumference. If not, this trouser is going to be tight. You'll not be able to enter it. And the thigh measurement circumference is 22 inches. The shorts measurement is also as straightforward as the trouser measurement. So the first thing you start with is your waist. Okay, you also ask the person where they wear their shorts, because some people tend to wear their shorts low waist and some people tend to wear on their stomach. Me, I wear my shorts low waist. Okay, so her low waist measurement here, like we measured before, is 33 inches. Okay, now the next place I went ahead to measure was her hips. You can see that I kept her legs closed. I told her to keep her legs closed, and I moved the tape round to make sure there's this ease when she wants to wear the shorts. Okay, so I moved it round, and when I got a stable point, I took that point at my hips measurement, and that is 38 inches. Now I went ahead to measure the length of the shorts. and I asked her, you can measure it bomb short. You can measure it bomb short. You can measure anywhere the person wants it to be. You make sure you take the measurement. And I took several measurements for her. I took 20 inches. Then at that point, I took the circumference of the short at that point. Make sure you don't forget to do that. I moved it around and I got that one at 20 inches. Then I also went ahead to take her thigh circumference and I got that at 22 inches. Thanks for watching. Say, don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, don't forget to.
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, just say, make sure you like this video.
Make sure you like the video.
Okay, wait, let's start again. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you like the video.
She's very shy. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.